Hello everyone, my name is Egidijus Jankauskas, simply known as Ed, and this is my Bluetooth doorbell project. Now let's get the boring stuff out of the way. This is the program code, global variable set as integers with their names and their values. Down below we can see the bits of tone being set up to represent the music. Void play tone and void play note will be used later to actually play the tone. Void setup is the pin setups. Void check input is the serial read setup used later on. Void loop is where the fun bit starts. You can see if state is 0, then it will shut everything off of the actual program. Then if the state is 1, then all the lights will be lit, LED on. Else if, so if the state is 2, then it will blink, as it says here. If the state is 3, then it will execute the light pattern. If the state is 4, then it will execute the back light pattern. If the state is 5, then it will play the sound, play the melody. And here is the actual device. So with the Arduino, that's the Arduino microcontroller. Now that's the heavy-duty battery, 9 volts, to power up the Arduino breadboard. So here we're starting with the Bluetooth HC06 device, then piezo speaker, 4 LED lights, and the reset button. Now the reason I use this reset button instead of this reset button, so if the doorbell would be hanged on the door, this button would be covered. So then there is another one, will be somewhere outside. And this is the app. So S2 terminal for Bluetooth will be used to talk with the Arduino through the Bluetooth device. So let's get started. So if you press 1 and send it, all the lights will be lit. If you press 2 and send it, all the lights will blink. If you press 3 and send it, there'll be a pattern from left to right. If you press 4 and send it, it'll be a back pattern, so from right to left. If you press 5, it will execute the music, which is Super Mario tone. Now you can let it play, but it will take a while, so I'll shut it down with 0. So as you can see, as soon as you execute the different numbers, they'll give you an indication of what each number does. So 1 will turn the LEDs on, 2 blink, 3 pattern, 4 back pattern, and 5 will obviously play the music, but as soon as you send 0, it will shut the music down. Now there is an option for full attention, which is 1, and then send for the lights to be lit, and then execute 5 to play the music. So the lights will be on and the music will play. If you're sending 0, there is an option to shut it down from the outside. But what if you're opening the door and you want to shut everything from the inside by pressing this button? So this is my project. Thank you very much.